Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can edit PDF file in your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, so don't try to skip this video from any point. So first of all, you have to open your any browser like that. You can open Chrome or Firefox. After that, you have to search for I love PDF. Okay, after that you will see this type of website, which is ilovepdf.com. You have to open this website. After that you will see this type of interface. Now you can see that there are many options like merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint. So now you have to scroll down and you have to click on edit PDF. So by using this option, you can add text, images or shapes in your PDF. Okay, so now you have to select this option. After that you will see this type of interface. Now you need to click on select PDF file. Now you have to select PDF file which you want to edit. So I will select PDF file. Okay, so I selected my PDF file which I want to edit. Okay, after that you will see this type of interface. Now you can edit your PDF file. Like if you want to edit, click here, and if you want to add text in your PDF file, you have to click here. Okay, after that you can add text in your PDF file like that. You can add anything in your PDF file. Okay, and if you want to add image in your PDF file, you have to click here. Okay, after that you can add image in your PDF file. And if you want to add shapes in your PDF file, click here on shapes. Okay, and you can also add shapes in your PDF file. And after editing, click on edit PDF, and then you can download this edited PDF file. Okay, so I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye guys.